Red Hawks. I hope everyone's doing well today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our focus words for today are warm and cool colors. Now, what do I mean by warm and cool colors? I have my colors here, and I'm going to go ahead and separate them and show you which ones are warm and which ones are cool. So, red, orange, and yellow are our warm colors, and green, blue, and purple are warm colors. If I put them together, I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and that makes a rainbow. So, let's talk about them separate for this moment. Now, when I see my warm colors, I have feelings and I have ideas and I think about stuff. When I see the warm colors, I think about maybe the sun or a campfire. I think about things that if I touched them, they'd be warm. If I was near it, it would be warm. Let's talk about our cool colors. When I see my cool colors, I think and I have feelings and I have ideas. And when I see blue, I think, I'm swimming in a pool or I'm in the ocean. When I see green, I'm laying on the grass in the summertime and the grass is a little bit cooler, cooling me down. So when I see these colors, I think about things that remind me of getting cooled off or feeling cooler. Now when we put them together, like I said, they create a rainbow. So when you see a rainbow, the first three colors are warm and the last three colors are your cool colors. So today we're going to make a rainbow. And I know a lot of us probably don't have paints at home, so I'm going to show you how to turn your markers into watercolor paint. All right, let's get started. I need to start with my warm colors. That's the beginning of the rainbow. So first, my red. Nice curved line. Now, it's thicker over here and thinner on this side. I want to even that out. I want to create a good composition and think about my craftsmanship while I work. So, some elements of art we're focusing on today are line, shape, and color. Now, at the end, we're going to change the texture and how our rainbow looks when we do our cool new watercolor technique to our rainbows. And I cannot wait to show you because I know having paint around the house is hard to come by. Miss Rattlebot doesn't have any paint right now, which is sad. So that's why I wanted to show you this cool technique. Now, these three colors are what? Warm colors. Good job, y'all. Let's move on to our last three colors of the rainbow. Our cool colors, green, blue, and purple. All right, green, blue, and notice how Miss Rattlebot is just constantly moving her paper. It makes it easier to move your paper around to get the line you want or the angle you need in order to create your art. Last cool color, purple. If you want to add pink to this, you can. Miss Rattlebot is just going to stick to these colors. Okay, so red, orange, yellow are warm colors, and green, blue, purple are cool colors. Now, like I said, I was going to show you how to turn markers into watercolor paint. You need a cup of water. You need a paintbrush. If you do not have a paintbrush, don't worry, y'all. I will show you a different technique. I'm going to start with the paintbrush though first. Okay, so dip your paintbrush in water and you're just going to go over your marker. And the red will start bleeding out onto the paper. Now let's go to our orange. And these are going to start blending together really good once you add this water. Yellow. And we're getting, the texture is getting more smooth looking like watercolor paint. Now, like I said, if you don't have a paintbrush, just use your finger, dip it in the cup, and rub the paper. Don't rub too hard though. We do not want to put a hole in our paper. And you're going to be getting the same effect as if you had a paintbrush, okay? Alright, so now, if you're at home and you don't have any paint, you can turn your markers into a watercolor effect. I hope y'all enjoyed today's lesson. Remember, our focus word was warm and cool colors.